So everyone has their go-to softwares that they use each and every day. And today I'm going to give you my top 5 softwares that I cannot live without. Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? It's Anthony Corns again, bringing you another Vlogmas Day 3 video. Today we're talking about my top 5 go-to softwares that I cannot live without. And the first one goes to Adobe Photoshop. So I've been using Photoshop since CS1 when it first came out. So I bought the very first Adobe production package and it cost about a little over $1,000. And I remember it coming in this big old box with all the discs and manuals on there, and I was super excited because that was my first time getting into editing, video editing, photo editing, and I was stoked. So Photoshop has been my go-to software for kind of doing advanced to basic edits on flyers and logos and graphics and things like that. And I know there's other softwares out there like Canva that I can do these things in, Illustrator, but I just used Photoshop for the first one time and I kind of just fell in love with it and stuck with it. And because I've seen and been with it so long, since CS1, CS2, 3, 4, 5, all of them, until now it's a subscription, which is crazy. Yeah, so it's been a great software so far, and I'm going to continue using it and love it. That's all I got to say about that. My number 2 software will go to a program called AnyDesk. And because I do a lot of IT work, I have to remote into various computers and control different things and kind of help people out with any help desk problems, like maybe printers not working, programs not working. So what AnyDesk is a remote management tool, so you can use it to log into other people's computers and kind of control it and do whatever you need to do. And that has been a lifesaver, especially since when COVID hit and everybody has been working from home. Has been my go-to software for managing various computers and be able to just log in on the fly and be able to fix the problem real quick and get it done. So that's number 2 software, really dope software, and it's free, so you should check it out. Number 3 software goes to Asana. So if you didn't watch my video on Asana, you need to check it out. It's a great project management tool. It's an online software. It's free. There is a paid version for different upgrades, but it's an easy project management tool where you can go in and schedule things or lay things out in detail, where you can stay organized and you can better do Vlogmas videos. That's what I use it for. Staying organized for my Vlogmas videos. So that's number 3, Asana. Check it out. Number 4 software goes to a program called LastPass. Now LastPass is a password management tool where it saves all of my passwords for all of my softwares and subscriptions. It also can save any like credit card details, any personal information that you want to lock up and you don't want to forget. So what you do is you create one master password that you can remember, and then once you do that, you can save all your other passwords in there. And then instead of you typing in your passwords, or if you decide you don't want to save them in Google or something like that, then you can use this tool. Then it connects with your browser, and then it'll automatically, once you click the little icon up there, it'll put in your password for you, and you can log in securely. And you don't have to worry about remembering a bunch of different passwords, because if you're saving the same password to every subscription and every login information, that is not good. That's an IT tip for you. Don't do that. Make sure you do multiple passwords for different accounts. Speaking to myself. All right, so that's number 4, LastPass. Make sure you check that out, and it's free. Number 5, can I get a drum roll? Number 5 software goes to Ecamm Live, of course, but you should have known this. Ecamm Live is one of the most powerful live streaming tools I have ever seen. You can literally do a whole live TV broadcast inside of Ecamm. You have your picture overlays, your animated overlays, your virtual cameras, things like that. It's a great tool. If you have not used this tool before, you should check it out. It's not a free program. However, you can level up your live streams. If you're trying to take your live streams to the next level, that will definitely be the program to use. All right, guys, so those are my top 5 softwares. Definitely check those out. I'm sure some of you can use one of those to help you in your day-to-day life. So if you like this video, guys, go ahead and give me a like. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next vlogmas video. Later. What, you thought this video was over? No. You see the Star Wars short? If you're not watching The Mandalorian, then what are you doing? It's all about Baby Yoda. Speaking of Baby Yoda, that would be a great costume for Halloween for Jackson. I think I'm gonna do that next year. All right, we're done now.